we will have interviewing session with 4 of our guests,
who is kind enough to give some of their time to share their experience with us. Interviewing session. Hi, my name is Ruby. I'm 12 years old. And I'm from Malaysia. If I'm not mistaken, programming language is a formal language, which comprises a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. I also know that programming language is used to implement algorithms. For your information, algorithms is a set of instructions which produce outputs.
Have you ever programmed anything?
Yeah, I have. The one I have programmed is Lego Mindstorm EV3.
What is Lego Mindstorm EV3?
Lego Mindstorm's EV3, or known as Evolution 3, is the technological advances in the programming brick. Basically, Lego Mindstorm EV3 is a basic programmable robotic device. It is very easy to use and very suitable for someone who's new in this programming world.
Do you recommend other people to learn programming?
Yes, I would absolutely recommend other people to learn it. It is very fun.
Interviewing session 2. Hey guys. My name is May and I'm turning 18 this weekend.
What do you think of programming?
Honestly, I think programming is the way of living.
Why do you say so?
Well, it's no secret that learning to code takes time. But learning to code is very beneficial for both short and long term in your life. I can guarantee that you will not regret learning to code as well as programming. Currently, I'm doing artificial intelligence course. If you're wondering what's artificial intelligence, or known as AI, is, I would gladly explain it to you guys. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. For your information, these processes include learning, reasoning and self-correction.
In which way do you think artificial intelligence will help you in your future career?
First of all, the scope of artificial intelligence in science is the largest. Artificial intelligence is not merely for augmentation, it also to create science, not merely do science but also automation using artificial intelligence for drug discovery. AI is also being applied in related areas such as synthetic biology for the manufacture and rapid design of microorganisms for industrial uses. Taking all this in stride, AI is sure to transform science as we know it. Taking artificial intelligence will guarantee a bright future.
Hello there. I am Fraser. I am working as senior accountant at the famous Khazanah Nasi in Al Riyadh. You see, as an accountant, I depend on programming language to accomplish my task.
Did programming languages have an impact in your career?
In this day and age, most people will agree with me when I say coding is a valuable skill. Learning machine language is now important for almost everything. Accounting is no exception. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been slowly taking over the accounting industry. I think it's only a matter of time before people who have no knowledge with computer programs start struggling to get a job.
Do you think by mastering machine language could increase a postgraduate employability?
Yes, absolutely yes. Because I do experience the truth about that statement. In accounting, they are things that Excel sheets alone cannot help with. You have to learn to write computer programs that can do things faster and with high degree of accuracy. Employers place high value on accountant with programming skills. You did well, Fraser. Thank you, boss. The person you see just now is my boss. He does always said that an accountant having programming skills is a priceless and rare combination of skill sets that can easily make you a king amongst kings in the accounting and finance realm. And if you want to have programming skills, you can have them. Now let me give you some tour about my job. Here are the conference room, where we accountants present our task with other colleague. Here is the auditing room. The requirement for an auditor in this company is, the person must have certificate in at least 2 types of programming languages.
What programming languages you have mastered?
So far I had mastered Python language, since it is data analysis and number friendly.
What programming languages you want to recommend the youngsters to try on?
One programming language that you can pick up is Python, and this is the one that I started learning on my own a few months ago. The reason for this choice is simple. Python is number and data analysis friendly. I thought all that programming jargon would be hard to learn and understand, but it was way easier than I ever imagined. There are other languages you can choose to learn, for example, C++, C, C#, or Java, and you would still achieve same goal, but a little differently.
Well, hello there. I am Trisha. I'm a great hacker. But wait. I'm not a bad hacker. I'm the ethical one.
Okay then, as a hacker you must be familiar with programming language, right?
Well, yes. Understanding programming languages and being able to fully utilize them defines what a good hacker is.
How much do you understand about programming language?
A programming language is a set of commands, instructions, and other syntax used to create a software program. Languages that programmers use to write code are called high-level languages. This code can be compiled into a low-level language, which is recognized directly by the computer hardware.
What programming language did you often use when hacking into account or database?
The de facto language for hacking programming, Python, is heralded as the best programming language for hacking, and for good reasons so. Ethical hackers often use this dynamic programming language for scripting their on-demand hacking programs on the go. From testing the integrity of corporate servers to automating most of your hacking programs, Python lets you do almost anything if used the right way.
What advice could you give to youngsters in learning programming language?
First of all, make sure you have the right reasons to learn about new programming languages. Second, try reach for helps from experts to further your understanding in particular languages. Lastly, it is advised to start with the most basic and native languages in programming such as C or C++.